Hi, Raymond Whittaker unboxing VivaMK delivery. It's just the second half of the unboxing as a phone call stopped me through the first video. So you got a furniture markup sticks, got a pill box, got a couple of packs of catalogues, we've got a egg poacher, we've got a bath mat, got some waterproof spray, got 2 packs of iron cleaning pads, so we've got the blue oven gloves, and we also got a pair of red oven gloves. We've got a 3-seat garden bench cover, got a silver Buddha tea light, got a ironing board blanket, so we've got a bee flower garden, so we've got another pack of iron pads. So you got a set of dehumidifiers, so we've got a luxury mattress protection, so we've got like a desire ornament, so we've got a children's vegetable garden, so you can plant the seeds and watch the vegetables grow. So we've got a smaller box. So this is the big box empty. So let's have a look what's inside the smaller box. So you got a cat and dog repellent. We've got another cat and dog repellent. Got a eco-friendly kitchen cleaner. We've got drain away. Another drain away. Got a lawn feed. And we've got a dehumidifier. So that's this box empty. So we got probably some makeup in these. We've got a washing machine cleaner. We've got another So we got some Beauty UK Cosmetics makeup. Got some lipstick. Got a eyeliner. Got another Beauty UK lipstick. We got a mascara. Got some Beauty UK Cosmetics nail varnish. And we got some gemstones. So thank you for watching and see you next time.